Huzur, in the same prayers, some rakat we pray loudly and everybody hears, but in some rakats we pray silently. So what is the wisdom?
Not only about the rakat, she could have put the question about Zuhr and Asr as well, where the entire prayer is said silently. So I have answered this question many times, but still new generation is coming up. Let them hear again directly from Imam. You see, the Zuhr and Asr time is the one of quietness, when even the birds are quiet and silent. You see, when we used to go for bird shooting, and in the morning they indicated their presence by making noises, etc. We knew it's in that tree there has to be a bird. But as the afternoon came, they went silent. It became very difficult to locate the birds. So that is the time of quietness. But in the morning, everybody sings. Birds chirp. And even those who walk out in the morning, they feel like singing. The whole atmosphere encourages singing. And in the Maghrib time, that is also the time of music, and it's everywhere, so whether it's among the Muslims or non-Muslims, they begin their music normally after the sun is set. So this is quite natural. It goes with the nature of birds, animals, etc. That during specific times you feel like singing, and during specific times you feel like being silent.